Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how to check your HUBSAN battery using a iMAX B6AC. So first we need to plug the iMAX B6. So yes, the iMAX B6 charger. Then you need a adapter. This is a 4-cell. So checking batteries for my Zino. So first is you need to select the battery meter. So first is plug. So this is battery number 1 for my system. Then checking battery. So it has a voltage of 4.3 volts. So it has a main is a 12.92. So that's it. And that's battery number 1. Then a cell voltage this is a 3-cell voltage, so it is balancedly captured at 4.3. So battery number 1. Also, you need to check the resistance. Resistance means it has a 40, 11, and 38. Total resistance is a 89 ohms. So that's it. That's the battery number 1. Next is the battery number 2. Check the meter first. So it is a 4.01, 4.22, 4.31. So the center battery has a low voltage. Main is 12.84. So yun. Next is battery resistance. So checking the resistance. So it has a 41, 12, and a 37. So the difference. So this battery is still good to fly, but siguro medyo mababa yung flight time niya compared sa the first one. So next is third battery. Bat meter is 3.86, 3.86, 3.86. 11.58. So this means that this is a not charged battery since the voltage is 3.86. So battery resistance, it has a 45, 16, and a 44, a total of 105 ohms. So as you charge this, the battery resistance will change. That's how you check your battery. And also this B6, you just need to set in the LI high voltage battery program. Then it says a balance charge feature. To balance charge a charger, I set a 3.0 ampere, and this is a 2-cell battery. So let's set this. So this is how I set my charger to charge a Zino Pro battery. So 3.0 amperes, then the cells is 3, so 11.4. So that's how I balance charge. So this is a balance charge. So let's start waiting. So as you can see, fuel is at 53%. Cell is 3.89. So as this progress to reaching 99%, so it will have a 4.35 volts nearly. So it will take around less than an hour to charge a HUBSAN ZINO Pro using a B6ACv2 charger. I choose this because the AC adapter is already inside, so it has a minimal adapter, so it has already a AC cable running going to your outlet. So that's how I balance charge the ZINO Pro. So next is you have a standard charge, not balance, a fast charge, but I would recommend this for emergency purposes, and a storage. So this is the best feature of this charger, the iMAX B6ACv2. This is not sponsored video, so I'm just sharing my knowledge how to charge my battery. That's storage. This means that it will store enough voltage and fuel to store your battery for a long time. So that's the usefulness of this hobby grade charger, is you can take care of your battery and storage. And also it has a discharge. It means aside from discharging your battery from the drone, you can discharge using the charger. Also balance charge. So that's the complete setup of the iMAX B6ACv2 SkyRC. So this is a very good charger that would last your batteries and take care of your batteries for a long time. So if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. That's how you compensate. So yes, I have 3 good batteries from my ZINO. The battery 1 is the best, the battery 2, battery 3. Okay, so thank you and bye bye.